Welcome to the world of financial empowerment. In this ever-evolving digital landscape, where opportunities abound, the quest for real hacks of earning money has captured the imagination of countless individuals. Gone are the days of conventional wealth-building methods. Today, we explore the realm of innovative strategies, clever tactics, and insightful approaches that can unlock the doors to financial success. From leveraging the power of technology to tapping into emerging markets, we delve into the realm of unconventional yet practical methods to help you navigate the path towards financial abundance. Get ready to discover the untapped potentials, unorthodox ideas, and genuine insights that can propel your journey towards a brighter and more prosperous future. Are you interested in learning about legitimate strategies and methods to enhance your financial well-being? Discovering effective ways to boost your income and maximize your earning potential can be a valuable asset in today's ever-changing world. From exploring innovative online ventures to leveraging your skills and resources, there are countless avenues to explore. So, buckle up and get ready to uncover the real hacks of earning money that can empower you to create a more prosperous future. In this dynamic world, we will unveil innovative strategies and proven methods that empower you to transform your skills, passions, and determination into tangible financial rewards. From unlocking the potential of the gig economy to harnessing the power of digital entrepreneurship, we will navigate the realm of online ventures, investment avenues, and emerging industries. Buckle up and embark on a journey where your resourcefulness and dedication will lead you to uncover exciting opportunities, turning your aspirations into a prosperous reality. Here are a few legitimate ways to earn money online. Please subscribe, like, share your friends, do comments, and hit the bell button. Freelancing. Offer your skills and services as a freelancer. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients seeking various services such as writing, graphic design, programming, marketing, and more. Affiliate marketing. Create content and promote products or services through affiliate links. You earn a commission for every sale or referral made through your unique affiliate link. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale are popular affiliate marketing platforms. Dropshipping. Start an online store without handling inventory. With dropshipping, you promote and sell products, but the supplier takes care of shipping and fulfillment. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce can help you set up your online store. Content creation. If you enjoy writing, blogging, or podcasting, you can monetize your content through advertising, sponsored posts, brand partnerships, or crowdfunding platforms like Patreon. Online surveys and microtasks. Participate in online surveys and complete microtasks on websites like Swagbucks, Amazon Mechanical Turk, or Clickworker. While the income may be modest, it can be an easy way to earn some extra money in your free time. Create and sell digital products. If you have expertise in areas like graphic design, writing, or music production, you can create and sell digital products such as ebooks, stock photos, templates, or music on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. Stock photography. If you have a talent for photography, you can sell your photos on stock photography websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or iStock. Whenever someone purchases your photos, you'll earn a royalty fee. Remote work. Look for remote job opportunities in various fields, such as customer support, data entry, software development, content writing, or social media management. Websites like remote.co and FlexJobs can help you find legitimate remote positions. App and website testing. Participate in user testing for apps and websites on platforms like User Testing or Userlytics. You'll be asked to provide feedback on user experience, and you'll get paid for your time and insights. Cryptocurrency trading and investing. If you have an understanding of cryptocurrency markets, you can try trading or investing in cryptocurrencies. Keep in mind that it involves risks, and you should do thorough research before getting started. Online gaming and streaming. If you're passionate about gaming, you can stream your gameplay on platforms like Twitch or YouTube and earn money through ad revenue, donations, or sponsorships. Remember that each of these options requires varying levels of time, effort, and skills. Choose something that aligns with your interests and strengths to increase your chances of success. Additionally, research and learn more about any method you find appealing to ensure you understand its requirements and potential returns. Success in earning money online requires persistence, continuous learning, and adapting to the evolving landscape. Beware of scams or get-rich-quick schemes that promise unrealistic results. Always do thorough research and exercise caution before investing time or money into any online opportunity. Please subscribe, like, share your friends, do comments, and hit the bell button. Make us useful to make another video for you. Thank you.